Do you ever wonder how to maintain your health on a daily basis? Let's talk about that. We all know that our health is our wealth, and maintaining it should always be a top priority. Yet it can be challenging to navigate the vast sea of information surrounding health and wellness. But here's the good news. There's a simple formula that can serve as a compass. We call it the General Wellness Formula. This formula is a combination of essential vitamins and minerals, each holding a unique and vital role in our health. From the vitamins A, C, D, E, and B complex to the minerals like calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, and selenium, these components work in harmony to support our overall health. They help to strengthen our immune system, support brain function, maintain bone health, and so much more. Understanding these essential nutrients is the first step towards maintaining a healthier lifestyle. So are you ready to embark on this wellness journey? Vitamins are crucial to our well-being, and here's why. Our bodies, these incredible machines, need a variety of nutrients to function optimally. Among these nutrients are vitamins, each playing a unique and significant role in our health. Let's dive right in. First up is vitamin A, often touted as the vision vitamin. It supports the health of our eyes and helps maintain our night vision. Without enough vitamin A, we could be left literally in the dark. Next, we have vitamin C, the immunity warrior. It boosts our immune system, helping us ward off colds and other illnesses. Plus, it's a powerful antioxidant that fights off damaging free radicals, keeping us youthful on the inside and out. Moving on to vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. It's vital for bone health, helping our bodies absorb calcium. Without it, our bones could become weak and brittle. And while sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, many of us don't get enough sun exposure, making supplementation necessary. Then there's vitamin E, the skin's best friend. It aids in maintaining healthy skin and hair, and like vitamin C, it's an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. And finally, we come to the vitamin B complex. This group of 8 vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12, work in tandem to convert our food into fuel, providing us with energy throughout the day. They're also crucial for healthy brain function, supporting our memory and cognitive abilities. Each of these vitamins plays a unique role, but they also work together, complementing each other to support our overall health. And while they can be found in a variety of foods, it can be challenging to get enough of each vitamin through diet alone. That's where a good general wellness formula comes in. It provides a balanced blend of these essential vitamins, ensuring we get the right amounts each day. These vitamins, when taken in the right amounts, can significantly improve your health. Minerals, though often overlooked, play a significant role in our health. Let's delve into the world of essential minerals. First off, we have calcium, the building block of our bones and teeth. It's like the concrete that keeps our skeletal structure strong and sturdy. Next, we find magnesium, a key player in muscle function. Think of it as the oil that keeps our body's machinery running smoothly. Zinc then steps in, acting as a bodyguard for our immune system, fighting off invading bacteria and viruses. Iron comes into the picture as the diligent transporter, carrying oxygen throughout the body. It's like the delivery guy of our body, ensuring oxygen reaches every cell. Lastly, we have selenium, the antioxidant superstar, protecting our cells from damage. It's like our body's personal insurance policy against harmful free radicals. These minerals help in the smooth functioning of the body, strengthening our immune system and keeping us healthy. In summary, the General Wellness Formula is your guide to daily health maintenance. It's a cocktail of vital nutrients, starting with the vitamins A, C, D, E, and the B complex. These are the spark plugs of your body, each with its unique role, from bolstering immunity to aiding cell growth and energy production. Then we have the essential minerals, calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, and selenium. Each one works synergistically to support bone health, muscle function, and a strong immune system. When these minerals are in harmony, your body operates like a well-oiled machine. But remember, balance is key. Too much or too little of any nutrient can tip the scales, leading to health problems. So aim for a varied and balanced diet that provides these nutrients in the right amounts. Remember, good health starts with good nutrition, so make the General Wellness Formula a part of your daily routine.